The following video will demonstrate the deep integration of Quanergy's Q-Track 3D LiDAR solution with Genetec's RSA and Mission Control. In the following scenario, we show you 3 zones that are being surveilled at a nuclear facility with the use of both camera and 3D LiDAR sensors. Quanergy's LiDARs are shown as laser icons on the maps as seen here. An alarm zone has been configured covering the full property up to the perimeter of Zone 1 as seen in green. We see that an object has been detected by the LiDAR sensor. A camera is positioned on a moving object and begins to record showing relevant information provided by the Quanergy LiDAR sensor. As the intruder gets closer to the configured zone, you will see that it immediately turns red once the object has crossed into the detection zone. This immediately sets off alarm alerts within Mission Control. By clicking on the incidents icon, we can then start following the incident process flow. We can also get visual identification of the threat both in real time and pre-recorded archive prior to the intrusion. The overview section will detail all relevant information of the alarm event. An operator can then select the appropriate response to the alarm event. In this case, it is a genuine alarm. In the procedure window, an operator can go through all the prompts. As the procedures are acknowledged, they will highlight as completed. Once the intrusion has been neutralized and the procedure is completed, the alarm zone will go from red to green. In the incident monitoring task, it shows you all of the incidents that occurred in the system. A full report of the incident can be exported, which provides all relevant details. Click on the completed export to bring up the vault. Then select the report that was exported to go through all of the details.